Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SOXL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 2, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 17, 2023, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate with a score of -1.39. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 11.5%. This means that, on average, it has been losing 0.88% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently in a wide and falling trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -29.45% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -41.51% and -22.12%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 58.11% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 35.79% and 192.48%. This means the price could range from $23.19 to $49.96 after a year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals a strong performance. On Thursday, the ETF price rose by 6.88% to reach $17.08. During the last trading day, Thursday, November 2, 2023, the SOXL ETF price experienced a gain of 6.88%, starting from $15.98 and reaching $17.08. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $16.38 and a high of $17.41, representing a 6.29% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -2.01%. The trading volume decreased by -11 million shares on the last day, with a total of 87 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.48 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and potentially signal future changes in the market over the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $7.53. Currently, the price is 40.59% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $11.67. Furthermore, the price is 95.48% below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when it reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, the Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF. Today, there are mixed signals in the ETF. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, the overall forecast for the stock is negative. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $17.97. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $15.33. Breaking through the long-term average will provide a buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the ETF has risen by 17.55%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands have indicated a buy signal 117 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 61 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has provided a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 33 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $14.97 and $14.73. It's important to note that there is a natural risk involved and an ETF is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of SOXL, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.73 and $14.53. Please keep in mind that this ETF can experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a very high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at the recent performance, the ETF has shown a price movement of $1.03 between the high and low, which is equivalent to 6.29%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 6.59%. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.43. If you don't have any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $14.97. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We have conducted a thorough evaluation of this ETF and unfortunately, our findings are negative. We do not recommend investing in this particular ETF. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we have identified several negative signals for the SOXL ETF, indicating that it may perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of the SOXL ETF is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate that the SOXL ETF will open with a decrease of $0.123, starting at $16.96. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree, so make sure to comment below and share your insights. What's your target for the ETF? We're also grateful for your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. With that said, we hope you have a successful trading day and enjoy a beautiful day ahead. Thank you from all of us here at StockInvest.